We are at Baltimore Harbor in Maryland. And right here is what we came to see. Fort McHenry. You know, of the Star Spangled Banner fame. The flag at Fort McHenry flies 24 hours a day, and the size of the flag varies. On clear days, a full-size replica of the Star Spangled Banner measuring 30 by 42 feet with 15 stars and stripes waves. The fort also flies smaller versions of this flag. On rainy days and at night, a small modern 50-star American flag is flown. As you can see, the flag is extremely large. The main entrance to a fort is always the fort's weakest point. And to protect that point, this was built opposite to give protection in a deadly crossfire. The British idea was to come in to this harbor, fire at the fort and demolish it, continue on and land over here to burn down the city of Baltimore. However, the men on these cannons set up such a lethal fire with what is called hot shot and was a disaster to wooden ships, catching them on fire. The British decided that they weren't going to get any closer than they were off the fort, and any closer would bring them under fire. And consequently, they left, and Baltimore was saved.